Exercise number 15.4, use pi value 22/7 unless stated otherwise. Okay, question number 1, a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of a cone. What is frustum of a cone? If you take a cone and divide the cone perpendicular to the base circle, then what will be getting? Will be getting what? Frustum of a cone. ಇದನ್ನು frustum of a cone ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? Frustum of a cone. Correct? Question is, a drinking glass is in the shape of frustum of a cone. Drinking glass, they have given drinking glass. Okay, then the height of the drinking glass is 14 centimeter. What is the height here? 14 centimeter. Next one, the diameters of its two circular ends 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Diameter D1 is equal to 4 centimeter. This means R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. Diameter D2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Then the radius R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Correct? Then find the capacity of the glass. We need to find out the capacity. That means how much water it can hold. That means what? Capacity is nothing but what? Volume. Volume of glass. What is the formula of volume of frustum of a cone? Since it is in the shape of what? Frustum, therefore volume of frustum of a cone is 1/3 pi in bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. This is equal to pi value. What is pi value here? 22/7. What is R1? 2 square plus what is R2? 1 plus 1 into 2. What is H1 or H? 14 centimeter. This is equal to 7 1s are 7 2s are 2 22s are 44 divided by 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 plus 2. This is equal to 44 divided by 3 into 7. Correct? 7 4s are 28. 308 divided by 3 centimeter cube. If we convert it into mixed fraction, it will become what? 102 integer 2/3 centimeter cube is the answer. This is also the answer. This is also the answer. Yavadaru bari. Question number 2. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. The slant height L is equal to 4 centimeter. And the perimeters, that is circumferences of circular ends, are 18 centimeter and the 6 centimeter. Consider upper perimeter and the lower perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? 2 pi r. Consider this one as R1, this one as R2. 2 pi R1 is equal to 18 centimeter. 2 pi R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. First of all, we need to find out R1 and R2. Correct? We need to find out the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone. What we need to find out? Curved surface area of frustum of cone is equal to, what is the formula? CSA of frustum of a cone? Pi in bracket R1 plus R2 into L. This is the formula. Okay. Upper perimeter is equal to 2 pi R1 is equal to 18 centimeter. Yes or no? R1 is equal to 18 divided by 2 pi. Okay. 2 1s are 2 9s are. R1 is equal to 9 divided by pi centimeter. Then same lower perimeter. What is the lower perimeter? 2 pi R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore R2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 pi. 2 1s are 2 3s are. R2 is equal to 3 divided by pi centimeter. We got R1 value, we got R2 value. Put that values here. Pi in bracket, what is R1? Pi divided by plus, okay, 3 divided by into what is the L value? 4. This is equal to pi into pi as it is. 9 plus 3 is 12 into 4. Pi cancel. 12 4 is a 48 centimeter cube square, not cube. Question number 3. If as the cap used by the Turks is shaped like the frustum of a cone, if its radius on the open end is 10 centimeter and the closed end is 4 centimeter and its slant height is 15 centimeter, find the material used to make it. What is this? This is a fez. Fez means jokers who are performing on the stage, they are using this one in the Turkey nation. This is called as fez. We need to find out material required to create this fez. For that, what all we can feel? The curved surface area of frustum of a cone, correct? And the open end, that is minus, and the closed end, that is area of circle, upper circle or closed circle, upper part, which is lower radius of 4 centimeter. We need to add that one. Understood? What are the things here? Area of CSA of frustum plus area of upper circle. Understood? Correct? Okay. Area of material required is equal to CSA of what? Frustum. Frustum of cone plus area of upper circular or circle. Okay. This is equal to, what is CSA of frustum of a cone? Pi in bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus area of circle formula pi R square. R means R1 or R2? Upper one, that is R2. What is the common thing here? Pi in bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus R2 square. This is equal to pi value 22 divided by 7 in bracket. What is R1 value? 10 plus R2 value 4. What is the slant height? 15 plus what is R2 here? 4 into 4. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 in bracket 14 into 15 plus 8. 8 4 4 is 16. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 14 14 is 196 plus 14 210 210 226. Yes or no? 226. Next, this is equal to 22 2 22 6 132 13 44 54 57 5 44 49 4972 divided by 7. Mixed fraction or this number, this is the answer. Mixed fraction is the answer. Okay. 7 7 49 7 1 7 2 remaining 10 dila pooji. Okay, then 2 divided by 7 centimeter square. 710 integer 2 by 7 centimeter square. So hang bontri division baral sir namaga. Look here, 4972 divided by 7. 7 7 49, correct? 0 0 7 7 1 7 0 2 remaining. Okay, point ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಮಗನೇ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 0 ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 7 1 7, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 7 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡು. ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 7 10 2 by 7. 7 10 2 by 7. A container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone. A container which is in the shape of a frustum of a cone and opened at the top end, closed at the bottom end. They have given of cone of height 16 centimeter. height h is equal to 16 centimeter. H is equal to 16 centimeter. Then with radii of its lower and upper ends 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Radii of lower end R1 is equal to 8 centimeter. This is lower end, and the upper end radii R2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Then what we need to find out? Find the cost of milk which can be completely fill the container. Okay, inside the container there is a product of milk or just milk. Yes or no? We need to find out the cost of the milk at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. 1 liter milk is equal to 20 rupees. Then total cost of milk is equal to question mark. Then also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container. If it costs 8 rupees per centimeter square or cube square. Okay, total cost of making the कंटेनर को बनाने के वास्ते कितने पैसे? कंटेनर इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. इफ 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 8 रुपीज. सर 8 to 10 centimeter square because area is there na. Centimeter square is equal to 8 rupees. This is the question. What all we need to find out? We need to find out the volume of the container. First of all, volume of the container, number 1. Then 1 liter is equal to 20 rupees. Then the volume of the water milk is equal to how many rupees? Then we need to find out the curved surface area plus the area of base circle. Curved surface area plus area of base circle. Then after that we need to find out the total cost of making the container. Understood? Okay, the first one is volume of container, that is or milk. Volume of container or milk. What is the shape of the container? Frustum. Volume of frustum of a cone? 1 divided by 3 pi in bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. Correct? This is equal to 1 divided by 3. They have given pi value as 3.14 into 3.14 in bracket. What is R1? 8 square plus 20 square plus 8 into 20. What is the height? 16. This is equal to 16 4s are 64, carry 6. 16 1s are 16 plus 16, 22, carry 2. 16 3s are 48, 50 as it is. Okay, divided by 3 in bracket. 8 8s are 64, 20 20s are 400, 8 2s are 16, 160. This is equal to 50.24 divided by 3 into 560, 624. Okay. Multiply 624 with the 5024. This is equal to cancel ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are 0 ತಗೊಂಡು 24 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Okay, multiply 208 into 5024. 208 means 20. 24s are 80. 800. 4 8s are 32. 832 carry 83. 22 is 40, 400, 483, 483. Then 483 plus 16, 499. Correct? Look here. 22 is 40, 400, 483. Then 2 8 is 16, 499, 49. Then 9. Take 4 as the carry. Then 25 is 100, 1000. Okay. Then 1000 plus 5 8 is 40. 1040 plus 4 1044. Correct? How many bit point? 2 bit point. That means centimeter cube, since it is a volume. Understood? It is a volume. We know that total cost equal to volume, total cost of milk. Total cost of milk is equal to volume of milk into what is volume of cost of 1 liter. Correct? Total volume of milk, total milk into cost of 1 liter into cost of 1 liter milk. We need to convert this one into meter or liter, meter cube or liter. Correct? This is to convert this one into liter. We need to divide it into 10,000. Yes or no? 10,000 or 1,000? 1,000. Okay. Look here. We know that 1,000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1,000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1,000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 10,000 centimeter cube is equal to 10 liter. Point mundu chiller. Correct? That means what? 10,449.92 divided by 1,000 liter. Correct? This is equal to 10.44992 liter. This is equal to 10.44992 into what is the cost of 1 liter milk? 20 rupees. 20. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Then 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2. Okay, point rupees. This is the cost of total milk. 208.999984 is approximately equal to what? 209 rupees. Correct? Next we need to find out the cost of making the container. Cost of making the container. Okay? Right. We need to find out the total amount or the total cost of making the container. That means the surface area of the container. We need to find out surface area of the container. Total surface area of container is equal to, we can feel the curved surface area. Yes or no? That means CSA of frustum of a cone. CSA of frustum plus we need to, or we will be feeling, we will be feeling the bottom surface area. That means area of bottom circle or lower circle. Area of lower circle. This is equal to, what is the formula for the CSA of frustum of a cone? Pi in bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus, what is the area of bottom circle? R1, pi R1 square. Yes or no? Pi R1 square. Then this is equal to, what is the common thing here? Pi in bracket. What we need to find out? Or what are we having? R1 plus R2 plus, okay, into is there na? Into L plus R1 square. This is equal to, do we know the L value? No. That means we need to find out L is equal to under root of H square plus R2 minus R1 the whole square. This is the formula L. Okay. In the cone, L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. But in first term of a cone, L is equal to under root of h square plus r2 minus r1 the whole square. This is equal to, what is h value? 16 square plus what is r2? 20. What is r1? 8 square. This is equal to 16 16s are 256 plus 20 minus 8 12 square 144. This is equal to under root of 400. What is 400 value? 20 centimeter. Okay. What is the slant height here? 20 centimeter. Correct. This is what is the pi value? Pi value 3.14 in bracket. What is R1? R2? Slant height? Okay, isn't it 20 na? R2. Slant height is also 20 plus R1 square 8 square. This is equal to 3.14 in bracket 28 into 20 plus 64. This is equal to 3.14 into 28 2s are 56 560 plus is there na 560 plus 60 624. Multiply 314 into 624. Look here, 624 624 4s are 240 248 248 2480 4 4s are 16 2496 2496. Then 624 ones are 624 824 864 873 873. Then 62 3s are 6 3s are 18 180 186 186 1860 1860 1872 1879 1959 1959 2-bit bindu. Okay. Centimeter square. This is the area of container. But we need to find out what? The cost of the container. Cost of making container. Cost of making container. Cost of making container. Cost of making container. 100 centimeter square is equal to how much rupees? 8 rupees. 8 rupees. Then 1959.36 centimeter square is equal to how many rupees? Cross multiply. Okay, 1959.36 into 8 divided by 100. This is equal to 8 6 48, carry 4, 8 3 24, plus 4, 28, carry 2, 8 9 72, 74, carry 4, carry 7, 8 5 40, 47, carry 4, 72, 76, carry 7, 8 1 8, 15. Okay, 2-bit bindus. 15,000, correct? 15,674.88 rupees divided by 100. Then to remove the 2 zeros, we need to move the point value to the left. 156.748 rupees is the cost of making the container.